we are going to prepare a chocolate mexicano with maple syrup again. So today we're experimenting a lot with that. To make chocolate mexicano, we need to buy chocolate de mesa in any Latin American food store. It's normally using the chocolate, the roasted chocolate, the cacao bean ground together with cinnamon, can be with sugar as well, but in this case we're going to prepare it with maple syrup. So we're going to ask Paula to bring us all the ingredients, which are very little. This is a chocolatera, this is a molinillo, and the molinillo, the idea is that it traps air on the fat molecules. It makes the froth. That's what makes it very, very frothy. So we have our chocolate. We need to have chocolate de mesa and maple syrup. So we're just waiting for the milk to be hot so it can melt the chocolate, okay? We're also waiting for our atole to finish. And chocolate was a ceremonial drink back in the Mesoamerican times. Now it's a delicious drink, but it was introduced to Europe by the Spanish, became a drink for the high society, and then became part of our gastronomy. We are going to use the chocolate. We are going to use Canadian maple syrup. I'm not going to add cinnamon because the chocolate has already the cinnamon, but if it doesn't have cinnamon and you're preparing your own, please do add it here so it can be infused. And when our milk is hot, we are going to add it into the molinillo. I always think about nice and hot drinks for this weather. Well, in Mexico it's not cold. In Mexico it's not cold, but in Canada it's very hot, very cold right now. So this drink is going to be very nice for you. Look how frothy and how nice it's becoming. This molinillo does all the trick. We almost not need to do anything, but you can use a blender back home. We can smell the cinnamon, the chocolate, and now the maple syrup. So check this out. Traditional chocolate, eh? Beautiful frothy. The more we do use the molinillo, the more beautiful it will be. And it's time to serve it. Just check this beauty. It smells amazing and it's very easy to prepare. Look how frothy it is. It's not a thick drink. And you can have this with conchas. And the maple gives a super nice flavor. Let's make more recipes together. Thank you.